Hi, I'm Mission Specialist Michael Lopez Alegria. Although our 16-day microgravity research mission was a success, real opportunities for scientific advancement are still lying ahead of us. Scott and Wendy are with me here in front of a mock-up of the International Space Station. This is a mock-up of the place where we think those advancements will take place. The International Space Station will provide scientists and astronauts a near-permanent microgravity laboratory where true long-duration research can be conducted. The International Space Station is not just a dream. It's quickly becoming a reality. Major portions of this massive structure have already been built and are waiting to be launched into space aboard the shuttle. And astronauts are already hard at work training on the techniques and with the tools they'll use to assemble the space station 450 kilometers above the Earth. When it's completed, the space station will be the largest structure to ever orbit the Earth. It will be home to up to 6 astronauts at a time, representing 17 different countries for up to 6 months at a time. The International Space Station is going to be a place where astronauts can come up and do some microgravity research. Primarily that falls into two categories, either material sciences or life sciences. We'll also be doing some environmental studies up there. Our microgravity research, on the other hand, is going to take place in a module that looks a lot like this mock-up. This is a laboratory module. It's a cylinder. It's about 10 meters long and 5 meters in diameter, and as you can see, it has racks which are populated by experiments or some utilities to support them. Wendy, why don't you tell us about what you're doing?
I'm checking out this robotic workstation. This is where the astronauts will be able to control the robotic arm of the station. They'll use these hand levers to control its movements and be able to see what they're doing on the screens.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Let's see what Scott's doing. Scott, looks like you're up to your elbows in something. Exactly what is that?
This is the glove box. It's where astronauts can work on their experiments without having to worry about them floating away.
Floating is an interesting point. In addition to being a lot of fun, it also gives us access to some of the volume that you might not usually think about here in 1G. For instance, we can use some of these overhead experiments in the luxury of microgravity by just floating up to them and using them. This is where some other life science experiments might be, or for instance, this protein crystal growth experiment. Some of these other racks, which you don't see any experiments in right now, will either have some computers or communications in them, or they may be configured at a later time with some other experiments. On our shuttle mission so far, we've only been able to fly microgravity research for about 16 days, which is good, but it's not quite as good as it'll be on the International Space Station, which will be up there for a long, long time. In fact, it'll be up there for so long that somebody watching us right now, or maybe even Scott and Wendy, might be able to come up and join us and do some microgravity research along with us.